Okay, today we test. I think we want to install some install Young Explorer. So Young Explorer is created by Cisco DevNet. It's a tools open source tools to explore the Young model. If you are working with netconf and Young data model, this tool will help you understand a little bit more about data model and netconf. So let's try to install this data model. Let's try to install these tools. I have installed this first time or prerequisite in my environment, so I think you must try to install this first. I'm using Ubuntu, so you can using other platforms, but I recommend you to use Ubuntu. So you must install this first: pip package manager, Python 2.7, and virtual env, virtual environment for Python. I think you must create this, and then grab fish and this troubleshooting. I think you must install it at first, so in later there is no trouble in this tools when we run it. So I will use a Visual Studio Code. So I think let's create this empty folder and open it in terminal. So let's clone and install this. Let's pass. It's cloning the Young Explorer. Okay, I have installed all the requirements, so maybe you first install the requirement before installing the tools, the Young Explorer. Okay, change directory to Young Explorer and run the setup.sh. Okay, we can see there is a setup.sh, so just run it. I think we will wait a little bit more because they are collecting. Okay, let's use swipe first. I think there is a little more time because the installation So just I think you just skip this and in the video, but I will record all of this. In this installation, I think you will count some error, but don't worry. Okay, I think the installation, the setup is complete. Uh, in this, use star sh to start the Young Explorer server. But before we start this, let's run the virtual environment. The setup SI is creating the virtual environment for this. So let's source v this folder and bin and activate. So we run the virtual environment and let's start bash or start.sh to start bash start. Okay, let's open the Chromium browser. Yeah, it's same like Chromium and Google Chrome, and let's open this. Okay, let's log in with the GUES and the password is GUES. So this is the Young Explorer. Yeah, I think in the next video I will try to explain to you how to use the Young Explorer. So like this, we can create maybe the alternate one, and what is the description, netconf bs, and etc. Enable, it's true or not, it's true, and he generate the RPC. So in the next video I will explain more about how to use Young Explorer. So now thank you. Happy to see you again.